When we open pictures or notepad file, this kind of error can show package fail update, dependency or conflict validation. Today I'm going to solve this error. Click Windows and click Settings and click Apps and click App and Features and search here photo PHOD and press enter. You see here photos options. Click in this three dot. You will see advanced options. Click here, scroll and go to reset options and click this repair option. Yeah, repair process has been completed. Yes, close it and open your pictures. Yeah, picture has been opened. If the process is not successful, you need to update your Windows. So click on this Windows button and go to Settings and click Windows Updates and click Advanced Options and go to Recovery. Just click your Reset buttons. Keep in mind, it's a very important part. If you run from here, your file will be safe, but all your programs will be deleted. So if you are not familiar with the process, don't do it.